fish on. Okay, fish in the net. It's a decent Zander. Haven't even done the intro to the video yet. Let's have a quick look at it. Okay, there we go. First fish of the session. Lovely Zander. Beautiful condition fish. Nice belly on it. Yeah, first fish of the session, and that was on float ledgered smelt. What a great start. Hi, good afternoon, welcome to the video. Back on the boat and targeting the predators again today. So yeah, I'll be after pike and zander, and I've got some worms, and I might try some float fishing for perch later on. So as you would have seen, I've had a really good start to the session. Lovely zander, probably about 6.5 pounds, and that was on float ledgered smelt. So yeah, really pleased with that, and it's really good condition fish as well. So yeah, lots of different tactics today. I've got some dead baits. I'll probably try some live baits. As I say, I've got some worms, do a bit of bait fishing, and I've also got my little lure rod with me as well. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Okay, I think we've got another take. Yeah, fish on. This is on a roach, a dead bait roach, suspended. Another zander. What a start to the session. That's another zander, probably about the same size. Fish number 2. Another beautiful zander. Even bigger belly on it. Yeah, really good condition fish. Let's give it a quick weigh. It's probably about 7 pound, I would guess. But that was on float fished dead roach. Brilliant. Okay, that was zander number 2. That was just under 7 pound. So yeah, really pleased with that, the start to the session today. So I've got I'll just run you through my gear. I've got fixed spool reel with 15-pound line, got a short strong rod, 9 foot, and then that comes down to a Fox Predator slider float. Got a running bead there up to a stop knot, and then I've just got a weight there to cock the float, bead to protect the swivel, and then I've got a wire trace with a size 6 semi-barbed treble, and I've just got a dead roach. So let's get this out again, see what we can do. Quite surprised really with I've probably only been here about an hour. I've been doing some jobs on the boat, And yeah, to have a couple of Zander already, really pleased with that. A little bit surprised the Zander are around, but obviously being quite bright today, very blustery today as well, but the Zander are obviously feeding up. So yeah, hopefully we'll get a few more today. I'll run you through the gear on my left hand rod, which is a float ledger setup. I've just got a smelt on that, and that's what I caught the first Zander on. And then I've also got a nice ground bait mix with chopped up worms and maggots. And I'll probably be trying for some perch a little bit later on, but what a good start to the session. Hi, good afternoon. It's gone a little bit quiet after those first two Zander, and I'm just going to have a bit of a recast, and I might try having a go with the worm as well. I'll just run you through now the float ledger setup that I'm using, that I caught the first fish on, and then yeah, as I say, I think I'm going to try float fishing worm. Might be a little bit tricky with this wind, but yeah, I might try float fishing worm and see if there aren't a few perch about. So this is the setup on the float ledger rod. Fixed ball reel again, 15-pound line, same rod, nice strong 9 foot, and I've got a Fox loaded pencil float. I've got a float stop up there somewhere. I've got a bead that butts up to the float stop, the float itself, and then I've got another bead just to protect the float from bumping into the lead. Got the Corum run rig system, got a bead protecting the swivel, and then I've got a bit of tube in there just to prevent any tangles, wire trace. This is a homemade uni rig, if you want to call it that. So I've got a long shank size 6 single hook. I've then got a size 6 treble, and this is the smelt that has the pleasure of going on the setup. Okay, I'll just show you how to bait up the rig. Apologies about the wind noise, it's really blowing now. So the single size 6 just goes in the tail root, the treble then goes into the body of the smelt, and there you go, perfect. Okay, we got a last minute fish on the worm. Decent one too. Hopefully it's a big perch. Oh yes, come on. It's been a really tough afternoon. I've managed a couple of small perch on the maggot and a couple of roach. No more zander, no more pike. Well, I haven't had any pike, not even a sign. That is a big perch, look at that. Yes, this is what we want. That's over £2, that. Come on then. Don't mess it up now. Yes! Oh, brilliant. That's a lovely fish. Oh, great. Right, let's give it away. Look at that, that is a beauty. That's over £2, I would guess. Yeah, just about £2.3. Okay, there we go. Nice perch, £2, 3 ounces. It's been a really tough afternoon. I haven't had any more takes. The wind is still cutting through. I've been feeding maggots and worms pretty much all afternoon, and then finally this lovely perch comes along. Look at that. Really pleased with that. So that's a couple of nice zander, big fat perch. Can't grumble too much. Hi, good afternoon. End of the session. Just thinking about packing up. It's been a bit of a bitter day, to be honest. Really cold, but really pleased with the fish that I've had. The first zander was £6.5 on smelt. Second zander was just under 7, and that was on dead roach. And then it went really quiet. Started to rain a fair bit. Wind picked up even more. And it was really tough fishing. Managed a few small perch on float and maggot, and that last perch £2, 3 ounce on that was on float and worm. So that was a nice end to the session. And as I say, I think I'm going to pack up now. No pike around today, which was a bit weird. I was here a few weeks ago, didn't really film too much, but I had a really nice £15 pike on my light spinning gear, and yeah, that was a hell of a fight, that was. But I'll show a little bit of footage now of that pike. As I say, just over 15 it was, and yeah, hopefully I'll be down again soon enough and try again for those pike. I'll catch you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.